More breaking updates coming in. Uncertainty continues over the duration of the pandemic. Now the RBI governor has made a statement saying that the loan moratorium is a temporary solution, but other options will be provided to give relief to the borrowers. The RBI governor, Shaktikanta Das, said that by no means should it be assumed that the RBI will unwind measures soon. Those are the details now coming in, with the RBI governor now saying that other options for the borrowers who are unable to make payments are now going to be considered. However, while the uncertainty over the duration of the pandemic continues, RBI saying that loan restructuring scheme will provide relief to the borrowers, but they are not going to unwind measures until the pandemic is contained. Let me bring in my colleague Ruchi Bhatia for those updates there. Ruchi, with regards to the borrowers, remember they are one of the important aspects to be considered, at least at the time of the pandemic, because they're finding it extremely difficult to make payments. What has been the statement that has come in from the RBI governor regarding providing some relief to the borrowers? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Ruchi in just a bit, but those are the details coming in with regards to the RBI governor, who has now made a statement at this point, very clearly saying that in fact, the loan moratorium is now a temporary solution, but other options will be provided to further give relief to the borrowers. Let me once again go back to my colleague Ruchi Bhatia for those updates there. Ruchi, we are of course looking at this statement that has come in from the RBI governor, and remember, borrowers are of course looking at some kind of relief receiving from the Reserve Bank of India. With respect to that, what has been the statement that has come in from the RBI as to how they are planning to provide some kind of relief to the borrowers?
Well, we're given to understand, apart from the one-time restructuring scheme that has already been announced, and the KV Kamath-led panel is already looking into the issue, the RBI governor once again saying that with respect to things in the economy, they are keeping a close watch. They are also in touch with the banking sector. And even though the banking sector is looking at what kind of support is needed for the economy, they are viewing and looking at the situation with respect to the issue of loan moratorium very closely. Of course, this is something that the RBI once again has hinted towards. Needs to be seen what kind of measures the RBI will take in the times to come, what kind of directions they will be giving to various banks.
All right, Ruchi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates.